In this short series with Invesco QQQ, we'll explore what innovation means now through the eyes of entrepreneurs around the world. In today's episode, I'll be talking with healthcare innovators from Akara Robotics, a startup specializing in social robots designed to work in retirement communities and now being adapted to combat COVID-19. Conor, McGinn, and Niamh Donnelly, welcome.
Thanks, Kristina. We're thrilled to be here.
Thanks so much for having us, Kristina.
So, Conor, Niamh, can you tell me a little bit about Akara, and in particular, who are Stevie and Violet?
We are a company with a social mission to develop robotics and artificial intelligence technology that can empower people, especially people in the healthcare industry. To date, we've developed two robots. The first is a robot called Stevie, which is a socially assistive robot developed to support caregivers and also residents living in retirement community settings. The second robot is a robot called Violet, which we've developed in response to the coronavirus. And Violet is a UV-powered disinfectant robot that kills germs, and there's a really bright future for robotics in this area of infection control.
How do you prioritize efficiency in how Akara operates?
Speaking with healthcare workers and radiologists to see how the robot can integrate best with their system. So I suppose nearly every day we're kind of changing how we implement the robot, and we're kind of adding new functionality based on the feedback that we're getting from healthcare workers.
What sense of responsibility do you think not only Akara has, but companies across the spectrum in the face of this pandemic?
The responsibility is massive, because if we aren't the forces of change, and if it's not us, who is it going to be? I think that the coronavirus has made it quite clear to us all just how vulnerable we really are. I suppose the longer it goes on, it seems the bigger the challenge becomes, and the longer a journey it's going to be to building the world that we once knew to be safe.
So tell me, how do you balance efficiency with the user experience?
When we go into a hospital or a nursing home, the first people that are excited to see us are the staff. And if we're able to kind of take a load off some of the arduous jobs and tasks that they have to do every day that isn't needed for a human to do, that frees them up to be able to work on more important high-level tasks that, a robot couldn't do.
That's spending time with people, and it's that sort of empathy element of care that's just so important. And I think that if we can develop tools, and really that's what robots are. We're not proposing to develop, a hospital full of robots or a nursing home full of robots. What we're trying to do is develop a tool that enables these people to be more effective.
I think the greatest proof of your efficiency is that ability to pivot and create Violet so quickly. So hats off to you for that. Niamh, Conor, I just want to thank you so much for being able to speak with you today. And of course, also thank you for what you've done in terms of pivoting and being part of the battle against COVID-19.
Thanks, Kristina.
Thanks, Kristina.
Thank you.